What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 24 Bronco. Today we're going to be replacing these lame LED headlights with some new signature headlights. Alright guys, so you can see, I have the Big Ben Sasquatch, so it did not come with the signature lighting kit. I wish it did, but I didn't order this vehicle. I picked it up off the lot. So it has the standard headlights and had the standard taillights, but anyone who follows the channel saw that I put in the Raptor style taillights. So I will drop the little card right there if anyone is interested in that video. They are awesome. Shout out to Mabit. Thank you very much for those. So now we're going to be installing some new factory signature headlights. So we're just going to go over real quick the breakdown on how we are going to remove this grill and take these factory headlights out. Then we're going to install the new ones and we'll see the comparison on how they look. So first step, what I did was I parked it where I'm going to work on it, and I marked off on the garage door here exactly where the headlight beams are, and I'll turn them on in a second so you can see. So you'll see here that the top of the headlight beam comes right here, and then this is where I have the painter's tape. So this way, once we install the new signature headlights, they have an adjusting screw which is right here. You can either use an Allen key or a Phillips head fits in there, and you're going to turn it and make sure that it is exactly level where the factory ones were. And this way then we know we're not going to be aiming too high or too low, being that it is the daytime. So you can see here, this is where they were from the factory. Actually, the passenger one was significantly lower, as you can see. So I am going to make them both even and probably run even on this crease here in the garage door. So let's turn them on, give you an idea of that, and we'll start the breakdown process. So our first step is we're going to remove all of these plastic push pins to get the radiator cover off, as well as the intake snorkel here. And then there's going to be 4 10mm bolts that are right underneath the radiator cover for the actual grill, and then a couple that are on the headlight. Once those are out, then we're going to pop off the fender flare, which is removed with just about a 180-degree turn of these 5 clips here, which will then give us access to pull this panel off so that we can get that remaining screw or bolt that's right underneath the headlight here. So let's get to it.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.
All right guys, so I wanted to smoke out the reflectors here, and I had bought these a few weeks ago. I'm glad I didn't install them on the first set of headlights and that I saved them now for the new signature headlights. So I wanted to tint these, but I didn't want just the film because they said it covers only the front piece here, and then all of this would still be exposed. So I found these covers, I believe, on eBay or Amazon. I'll put the link down below. They're around $13 or $14, and they're 3M smoked acrylic covers that are going to go right over it. So we're just going to clean this with some isopropyl alcohol, stick these on like so, and then we're going to get these back in the car.
I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step. step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent.
All right, guys, we got him in. Moment of truth. Yeah. Wow, well that is damn impressive. So I'm just gonna adjust them a tiny bit, just raise up the passenger side one a little bit, make them nice and even, and we're good to go. All right, guys, we got them both leveled perfectly right there on the garage door, and they look absolutely killer. If you were able to tell on the time lapse, is one of the black retaining clips that goes on the back of the grill was stuck in there and would have gotten missed. So make sure to check all those, and I had to reinstall it back on the grill and then it popped right in. So hopefully you guys like this video and like these smoked reflectors on the side here, guys. So that wraps it up. Hopefully this video helped anyone who is interested in removing or installing the signature headlights on their Bronco and also smoking these front reflectors. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Bronco content.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh.
Another thing you have to make sure that you have is the daytime running light feature activated on your touchscreen. So what you need to do is go to Vehicle, then Lighting, and Daytime Running Lights. So I had that actually off, so also it wasn't working even with the parking brake off. So I went in here, you activate that, and then they will turn right on. So those are the two things. Just make sure you have daytime running lamps activated in your screen, and if you have a manual, make sure that the e-brake is not engaged, and you will be able to see your signature lights and the DRLs pop on, which look absolutely awesome. So again, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps anyone who had any issues or questions about this install, and be sure to keep following for more Bronco content.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are.